Let me ask you something. When was the last time you opened your inbox? Probably today, right? Yet, people are still saying email marketing is dead. The truth? It's far from dead. It's evolving. And if you're ignoring it, you're leaving money on the table. Stick around because today, I'll show you why email marketing is not just alive, but thriving in 2025, and how you can use it to dominate your competition. We've all heard the buzz. Email marketing is outdated. Social media is king. Or no one reads emails anymore. But here's the thing. Did you know that email marketing still boasts an average ROI of 4,200%? That's $42 for every dollar spent. Social media might grab the headlines, but email, it's where the conversions happen. Why? Because it's direct, personal, and lands straight in your audience's inbox. No algorithm messing with your reach. Think about it. Would you rather have your message buried under TikToks and memes, or delivered straight to someone's private inbox? Exactly. Here's where most people go wrong. They treat email marketing like spam. Generic, boring, irrelevant emails are what give email marketing a bad name. But when done right, it's a game changer. Imagine sending an email so tailored, so valuable, that your audience actually looks forward to opening it. That's the power of email marketing in 2025. The key lies in personalization and automation. Tools like MailChimp and Klaviyo let you segment your audience and send the right message at the right time. For instance, a welcome email for a new subscriber, a personalized discount for a loyal customer, or a gentle nudge to someone who abandoned their cart. The possibilities are endless and incredibly effective, but that's just scratching the surface. The secret sauce? It's not just what you send, it's how and when you send it. And I'll tell you how to nail that next. If you want your email marketing to thrive in 2025, here's what you need to do. First, focus on building a quality email list. Forget buying lists. That's a one-way ticket to the spam folder. Instead, use lead magnets like free guides, webinars, or discounts to attract the right audience. Next, craft engaging subject lines. Think of them as the door to your email. If it's boring, no one's walking through it. Use curiosity, urgency, or personalization to grab attention. For example, instead of monthly newsletter, try how to double your sales this month. Finally, analyze and optimize. Test different designs, messages, and send times. Pay attention to open rates, click-through rates, and conversions. The data will guide you toward what works and what doesn't. And no, just winging it is not a strategy, unless you enjoy losing potential revenue. So, is email marketing dead? Absolutely not. It's evolving. And in 2025, it's your secret weapon to outsmart your competition. If you're ready to master email marketing and stay ahead of the curve, hit that subscribe button now. I've got more tutorials and proven strategies coming your way, so don't miss out. Check the end screen for more videos to elevate your digital marketing game.